Hidden History, 1863 Naches Mississippi Concentration Camp. Did you know America had its own concentration camp after the Civil War? In 1863, the Union Army used the Devil's Punchbowl in Naches, Mississippi, a natural pit flanked by towering bluffs for evil intent. This tragedy remains in the darkness of American history. The camp was meant for formerly enslaved African Americans, but it became a death trap. Starvation, smallpox, and harsh conditions claimed countless lives. Over 20,000 people perished in 1 year. Note that skeletal remains still wash up when the area becomes flooded by the Mississippi River in the Devil's Punchbowl. To this day, whites will not eat the peaches in that area because the ground is fertilized with the bodies of black people. Let's uncover the past together. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to keep these voices alive.